So guys, in a couple of videos back, I discussed about the functions in Python, but this time I am going to declare the parameterized function. What does this mean? Let's see. I created a function exotic tag. Okay, so this function takes two parameters. Okay, so this is how you declare the parameters of function. I have declared two parameters, x and y. I want to print out something. For example, I want to print it out welcome. Okay, so welcome message will be printed out when I write exotic tag. But I have to write two arguments here. So Ramesh is an argument and Kumar is also an argument. So in this function, I passed two arguments. Ramesh Kumar are the arguments and x and y are the parameters. So this is because most of the developers, they also do this mistake. They don't know what is the difference between the parameter and the argument. So this is it. Let's compile it. But we got message welcome. We didn't get Ramesh and Kumar in the message. So what could be the reason? Because we didn't call these parameters. Now how we can call the parameters in Python? So this is the way. So there's a special syntax. F x y. So what it will do, it will take it will just another way to print out the parameters x and y in curly braces. Now I'll compile it. Look, we got Ramesh, welcome Ramesh Kumar. What if I put some space here in between? So it will, let's see. So we got the space between Ramesh Kumar. Okay, so now we understand how it is working. And also it's not necessary, you can put as many as parameters. It depends on your code actually. You can put 10 parameters, 5 parameters, it depends. For example, you can also put one parameter. Let me delete this one. So now if I pass two arguments, let's see, we got the error. It will always throw error when parameters and arguments numbers are not matched. So you have to be careful. Now we won't get any error because the number of parameters and arguments are same. So this is the catch. So you should remember this thing. Okay, so now we learn how to do this. Also, it's possible you can apply some mathematical concepts within the function. For example, like in other languages, functions also return something. For example, I return a plus b, sorry, not a plus b, x plus y. So how I can use this function? For example, I want to do some mathematics. I want to make some calculator. I will declare a function. Inside the function, I declare the logic, like it should add two numbers. And now when it comes to print those two numbers, I can simply do like this. Exotic tag, I use the function name. Now I want to use the arguments. For example, 2 and 20. Let's see. It didn't print anything. The reason is that, let me cut it out. What if I write it like this? Now I hope, look, it adds two number. So it took the exotic tag. I used the exotic tag function, which I declared, and I passed two arguments, 2 and 20. So 2 goes in x and 20 goes in y. So now x has 2 and y has 20. So in the return statement, x has 2 plus and y has 20. 2 plus 20 makes 22. So this is how. Or you can, if you want to build a calculator, you can simply do this. For example, exotic tag x, y. I do like this minus. What if, let's see, we declare it like this? What will be the output? Look, now we passed same arguments. What if we change the parameters name? Will it execute or not? Let's see. Look, so the function is, look, the problem is we are choosing for two functions. We are creating two functions with the same name. This is the problem. So what if I change something little here? Tech. Now let's compile it. Look, now it gives us the correct answer. So basically, so the function name should be unique, like this, like this. So this is addition. For addition, x is 2 and y is 20. For subtraction, a is 2 and b is 20. So 2 minus 20 is minus 18. So it gives us the correct answer. So this is how you can build up some calculator, or you come up with your own ideas. I hope parameters functions is something important concept to discuss. That's why I discuss this concept. So guys, don't forget to like my channel, hit like and kindly subscribe it. Thank you.